So basically, if you download the Assassin's Creed Unity in Fitgirl, and when you run it, so basically you installed it, right? And when you run it, there's an error. So you play underscore R1 underscore loader 64. So what happened? Because it was deleted by the real-time protection. Okay. So what you're gonna do first is go to um, click the search the virus and threat protection, and then go to protection history. Find the file, the file that was this uplay underscore R1 here. And if you see it, just click the hi, and then there's a action here. Just click the restore. So basically, if you don't have anything, if, if the thing is it was deleted, I will show you how. I will upload the file here. So basically, this is my problem, and that's why I download again the Unity, and then for those people who have the file, but this DLL was deleted, I will show it to you. Okay, just download this. Okay. It's open to everyone. Just download. What is this? This one, the DLL. Download. Make sure to off the virus and threat protection because it will delete it again. Okay, so download infected file. Of course, that's a DLL file. That's why it is a infected. Keep anyway. Yeah, there. And after that, go to downloads. Then copy the file you downloaded. Paste it here. And then, let me show you. It will now open without any problem. That's the only thing you need. Did you play? Or to be sure, you can also download this one. The 3DM. This one. Also copy that. This 3DM. Okay. Go and click the application. So now it's working. So hope it helps you guys. Alright. That's all guys. Thank you for watching.